I welcome change. I embrace growth. I trust the journey. The music flows with you, teaching you to bend. Chapter 19, Healing Body and Mind. Music resonates deep within the body. Grounding vibrations. Your body has carried the weight of your emotions. Tension in your shoulders, aches in your chest, exhaustion in your bones. But tonight, release begins. Breathe deeply. Let the sound move through your body like light, healing every muscle, soothing every nerve, restoring every cell. Say softly, "My body is healing. My mind is clear. I am whole." The harmony of 432 Hz restores balance. You are renewed. Studio Microphone, Chapter 20, Awakening Gratitude. Music glows with radiant joy. Gratitude is the door to abundance. It opens your heart to love, transforms every moment. Close your eyes and think of 3 things you are grateful for. Let each one shine in your chest like golden light. Whisper, "Thank you for this moment. Thank you for this breath. Thank you for this life." The sound rises, filling you with joy. Gratitude awakens peace. Gratitude awakens love. Gratitude awakens you. Music softens, carrying you into silence. To grow, to rise. Chapter 21, Releasing Anger. Music deep, steady, calming fire tones. Anger is heavy. It burns inside, consuming your peace. But tonight, you let it go. Breathe in calm. Exhale the fire. Say softly, "I release anger. I choose peace. I am free." Feel the sound cooling your spirit. Every vibration dissolves the heat. You are calm. You are light. You are whole. Studio Microphone, Chapter 22, Healing from Loss. Music shifts to gentle, tender tones, like a quiet embrace. Loss leaves an empty space, a silence where love once lived. But love never truly disappears. It lives in memory. It lives in your heart. It lives in eternity. Close your eyes and whisper within, "I honor the love. I release the pain. I carry them within me." The sound wraps you in comfort. You are not alone. Love is still here. Chapter 23, Restoring Trust. Music grows steady, balanced, gentle. Trust is fragile. Once broken, it feels impossible to rebuild. But your heart is ready. Slowly, gently, say softly, "I trust myself. I trust life. I trust again." The music strengthens your spirit. With each note, trust blooms again within you. Studio Microphone, Chapter 24, Healing Depression. Music resonates with deep, comforting tones. Depression feels like darkness without end, like walking through shadows with no light. But even in the darkest night, a single flame can change everything. Feel the sound as your flame. Soft, gentle, alive. Whisper, "Light lives in me. Hope rises in me. I am healing." The sound lifts you, reminding you that even here, you are not lost. You are healing. Chapter 25, Living in the Present. Music becomes clear, flowing, grounding. The past is gone. The future is not yet here. The only moment that truly exists is now. Breathe in deeply. Feel this breath. Feel this heartbeat. This is presence. Say softly, "I live now. I breathe now. I am here." The music roots you in the moment. Here, peace is alive. Studio Microphone, Chapter 26, Awakening Courage. Music builds gently, steady, and empowering. Courage does not mean no fear. Courage means moving forward despite fear. You have survived storms. You have risen again and again. Courage already lives within you. Whisper, "I am brave. I am strong. I rise with courage." Feel the sound filling you with strength. You are ready. You are unshakable. Chapter 27, Healing Relationships. Music softens into tender, loving tones. Relationships bring joy. They also bring wounds. But tonight, healing flows through them. Imagine those you love. Imagine light surrounding them. Imagine peace flowing between you. Say softly, "I heal connections. I give love. I receive love." The sound restores harmony. Love flows freely again. Studio Microphone Chapter 28 Embracing Self-Worth. Music resonates warm, uplifting, golden. You are enough. Always have been. Always will be. Every vibration reminds you, you are worthy of love, joy, abundance. Say gently, I am enough. I am worthy. I am love. The music strengthens this truth. Your worth is infinite. Chapter 29 Healing Through Surrender. Music soft, expansive, like flowing water. You cannot control everything. You were never meant to. Surrender is not weakness. It is trust. It is peace. Say softly, I let go. I surrender. I trust life. Feel the sound washing away resistance. You are free in surrender. Studio Microphone Chapter 30 Rising into Light. Music bright, radiant, full of life. You have walked through pain. You have healed through sound. Now you rise into light. Imagine yourself surrounded by golden radiance. Warm, healing, infinite. Whisper, I am healed. I am light. I am free. The music carries you upward. Your heart glows with peace. Your soul shines with love. And you rise fully into the light. Music swells, then gently fades. Studio Microphone Chapter 31 Embracing Forgiveness of Self. Soft 432 Hz tones, tender and compassionate. The hardest person to forgive is often yourself. The mistakes, the regrets, the if-onlys. But listen closely, you did the best you could with what you knew, and that is enough. Say softly, I forgive myself. I release regret. I choose peace. Feel the sound lifting the weight from your shoulders. You are free. Studio Microphone Chapter 32 Healing Emotional Scars. Music resonates like soft waves on the shore. Every wound has left a mark. But scars are not signs of weakness. They are symbols of survival. They say, I endured, and I rose again. Whisper within, my scars are strength. My past is wisdom. My soul is whole. The sound polishes every scar with light. They no longer hurt. They now shine. Studio Microphone Chapter 33 Cultivating Patience. Music slows into steady, grounding rhythm. Patience is the art of trusting time, of knowing that healing cannot be rushed, that growth unfolds in its own rhythm. Say softly, I trust the timing. I am patient. I am at peace. The music teaches you to wait with grace, to breathe with the rhythm of life. Studio Microphone Chapter 34 Awakening Compassion. Music glows gently, warm, and loving. Compassion is the bridge of healing. It softens judgment. It opens hearts, creates peace. Whisper, I choose compassion. I see with love. I heal with kindness. The sound expands your heart. Compassion flows through you, to yourself, to others, to the world. Chapter 35 Releasing Control. Music flows like water, effortless and free. Control is heavy. It demands certainty. But life was never meant to be controlled. It was meant to be lived. Say softly, I release control. I trust the flow. I am free. The music teaches surrender. Flowing like water, you move with life, not against it. Studio Microphone Chapter 36 Awakening Joy. Music bright, playful, glowing with light. Joy is not found in things. It is found in moments, in laughter, in presence, in love. Close your eyes. Remember a moment of pure joy. Smile. Let the music amplify that feeling. Say within, joy is in me. Joy is around me. I live in joy. The sound awakens happiness in your soul. Chapter 37 Healing Through Silence. Music fades into softer, slower tones, leaving space. Silence is not empty. It is full of answers. It is full of peace. Allow the music to fall into quiet spaces. Rest in that silence. Feel how healing whispers in stillness. Say gently, I rest in silence. I hear my soul. I find peace. Silence is sacred. and here you are whole. Studio Microphone Chapter 38, Rising Beyond Doubt. Music grows steady, empowering, uplifting. Doubt whispers, "You can't." But truth answers, "You can." You have doubted yourself long enough. Now rise. Whisper within, "I believe in me. I trust my path. I rise above doubt." The sound fills you with certainty. You are capable. You are strong. You are enough. Chapter 39, Embracing Abundance. Music bright, expansive, radiant. Abundance is not only wealth. It is love. It is peace. It is life overflowing. Say softly, "I am open to abundance. I am open to blessings. I am open to love." The sound expands your energy. Abundance flows to you. It flows through you. Studio Microphone Chapter 40, Becoming Whole. Music swells with gentle completeness, soft and radiant. Piece by piece you have healed. Layer by layer you have released. Now you are whole. Whisper gently, "I am healed. I am whole. I am free." Feel the music sealing your healing. You are not broken. You are complete. You are whole. Music fades into silence. Chapter 41, Rising Above Pain. Deep 432 Hz tones, steady and uplifting. Pain has shaped you, but it does not define you. You are not your suffering. You are the strength that rose from it. Whisper, "I am greater than my pain. I rise above. I am free." The sound lifts you beyond the weight of yesterday. You are stronger. You are rising. Studio Microphone Chapter 42, Embracing Inner Power. Music deepens with radiant strength. Your power has always been within you, even when you felt small, even when you felt lost. Now you claim it. Say softly, "I am powerful. I am strong. I am unstoppable." The vibrations awaken your inner fire. You stand tall, unshaken, unbroken. Studio Microphone Chapter 43, Becoming Love. Music glows warmly, tender yet infinite. At your core, you are love. Not anger, not fear, not pain. Pure love. Whisper gently, "I am love. I give love. I receive love." The sound expands this truth in every cell. You are love itself. Chapter 44, Releasing the Old Self. Music shifts, cleansing and renewing. The old you, the one who carried fear, guilt, shame, has served its purpose. Now it is time to let go, to step into who you were always meant to be. Say softly, "I release who I was. I embrace who I am. I step into my true self." The music clears the past. You are reborn. Chapter 45, Awakening Freedom. Music grows lighter, expansive, boundless. Freedom is not outside you. It has always been inside. Whisper within, "I am free to heal. I am free to love. I am free to live." The sound breaks every invisible chain. You are free. Studio Microphone Chapter 46, Living in Harmony. Music softens into gentle balance. Harmony is the balance of body, mind, and soul. Tonight, that harmony returns. Say gently, "I am balanced. I am aligned. I am whole." The music restores your rhythm. You live in harmony again. Chapter 47, Walking in Light. Music bright, golden, radiant. Imagine yourself walking on a path of light. Every step glows beneath your feet. Every breath is filled with peace. Whisper, "I walk in light. I walk in peace. I walk in love." The sound guides your steps. You are never in darkness again. Studio Microphone Chapter 48, Claiming Your Healing. Music swells, strong and powerful. This is your moment. This is your healing. Claim it, own it, live it. Say softly but firmly, "I am healed. I am whole. I am free." The vibrations seal these words into your soul. This is your truth. Studio Microphone Chapter 49, Becoming the Light for Others. Music glows outward, expanding beyond self. Your healing is not only for you, it is for the world. Your light can guide others through darkness. Whisper, I am a light. I inspire. I heal with love. Feel the sound expanding beyond you. You shine into the lives of others. Studio Microphone Chapter 50 The Final Rising. Music builds into powerful, radiant crescendo. You have walked through the shadows. You have healed your heart. You have risen into light. Now stand tall. Feel the strength in your chest. Feel the love in your soul. Feel the peace in your mind. Whisper with conviction. I am healed. I am whole. I am light. I am free. The music swells, wrapping you in golden radiance. This is not the end. This is your new beginning. Carry this healing into every breath. Carry this peace into every step. Carry this love into every moment. Because you are not broken. You are not lost. You are not weak. You are healed. You are strong. You are eternal light. Music rises into powerful finale, then slowly fades into silence.